Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the highly anticipated flagships from Oppo, the Oppo Find X9 and its more powerful sibling, the Oppo Find X9 Pro. These phones are set to redefine what we expect from a premium smartphone, and trust me, you'll want to stick around for this. Let's kick things off with design. Oppo has consistently delivered stunning aesthetics, and the Find X9 series is no exception. We're looking at refined lines, premium materials, and what's rumored to be a fresh take on their camera module, perhaps a striking squarish or circular design that really stands out. The bezels are incredibly thin at just 1.15 millimeters, giving you an almost edge-to-edge viewing experience. The Pro model is even rumored to boast an incredible IP66, IP68, and IP69 rating. That's some serious durability. Now let's talk about those displays. Both the Find X9 and X9 Pro are expected to feature gorgeous OLED LTPO panels with a super smooth 120Hz refresh rate. The X9 will likely come in around 6.59 inches, while the X9 Pro bumps it up to a more expansive 6.78 inches. Both will offer a crisp 1.5K resolution, ensuring every image, video, and game looks absolutely stunning. This is truly an immersive visual experience. Under the hood, both these devices are powerhouses. They're confirmed to be running on the brand new MediaTek Dimensity 9500 flagship chipset. This isn't just any chip, it features a third-generation all-big-core architecture, promising insane levels of performance and efficiency. Oppo has also integrated a custom cooling system and a new Trinity engine for peak computational power. What does that mean for you? Blazing fast app launches, seamless multitasking, and console-level gaming performance without breaking a sweat. And of course, they'll ship with ColorOS 16, based on Android 16, offering a refined and feature-rich user experience. Alright, camera enthusiasts, this is where it gets really exciting. Oppo's partnership with Hasselblad continues, promising exceptional imaging capabilities. While both models will likely feature a superb 50-megapixel main sensor and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, the Find X9 Pro is rumored to take things to another level with an astonishing 200-megapixel periscope telephoto lens. Yes, you heard that right, 200 megapixel. Imagine the detail, the zoom capabilities, and the clarity from such a sensor. The standard X9 will also pack a strong 50-megapixel periscope telephoto with 3x optical zoom. With advanced AI features and Hasselblad tuning, expect stunning photos and videos in any condition. Battery life and charging are crucial for any flagship, and Oppo delivers. Both the Find X9 and X9 Pro are tipped to support super-fast 80-watt wired SuperVOOC charging and convenient 50-watt wireless AirVOOC charging. So, you'll be powered up in no time. But what about capacity? The X9 is expected to house a robust 7,025 mAh battery, while the X9 Pro is rumored to push it even further with a massive 7,500 mAh unit. That's truly impressive and should easily get you through even the most demanding days. In terms of memory and storage, expect configurations up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to a whopping 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage. What do you think of the Find X9 series? Are you excited about that 200 megapixel telephoto lens or perhaps the huge battery? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe for more tech content, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next upload.